I'll start with a confession. I set out to transform potatoes from a mere side dish into the star of the meal, worthy of a standing ovation and, why not, a tear or two of joy. So, armed with 3 potatoes so large they could have their own zip code, I began my journey. First, I halved them, carefully negotiating to ensure they didn't crumble in the process, as if dividing the spoils of a pirate's treasure. I gave them a flat base, preventing them from rolling around in the oven as if on a skating rink. Next, I peeled and hollowed them out with a spoon, promising them they'd be filled with something far better. This is like carving a canoe, I thought, but miniature and far tastier. Prepared for their spa bath, the potatoes were submerged in a pot with water, salt, and 2 bay leaves. This bath will impart a flavor that the finest potato spa could never achieve, I assured, letting them cook on high heat. 20 minutes later, a toothpick test confirmed they were softer than a whisper on a pillow. As the potatoes relaxed, I sliced 100 grams of ham into strips, then diced them, as if preparing a tiny army of flavor. I repeated the process with mozzarella cheese, imagining I was laying the bricks for castles of delight. In a bowl worthy of mixing the wildest dreams, I combined the cheese, ham, a bit of cilantro to taste, and 200 grams of cream cheese, stirring everything with the passion of a conductor. "This is going to be epic," I exclaimed, sending virtual greetings to Carmen Sanchez in Guatemala, Julia Estrada in Mexico, and Alicia Ibarra in Argentina, thanking them for their loyalty from every corner of the world. With the potatoes ready for the big show, I filled them with this mixture, promising to be the envy of any stuffing aficionado. "If you've made it this far, you must be truly intrigued by the fate of these potatoes," I said, inviting comments of "I love potatoes" for a personalized shout-out. But it didn't end there. Each potato was wrapped in a strip of smoked bacon, secured with a toothpick as if packaging a very special gift. "This bacon isn't just a coat. It's the ultimate upgrade," I claimed as I arranged them in a baking dish, covering them with a blanket of cheese because, honestly, what is life without a good layer of cheese? Into the oven they went, to broil for 15 minutes, during which I fantasized about my future diners' reactions. "On a scale of 1 to 10, how much did you love this delicacy?" I asked when they emerged, golden and bubbling from the oven. Closing this culinary chapter, I promised more gastronomic adventures that would defy conventions and transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. If this is your first time diving into this culinary madness, hop aboard, subscribe, and hit the bell.